Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing another brand of essential oils and comparing them to Young Living. I really like doing these videos and you guys like them too, so I'm gonna keep on doing them. I found another good one today, so it's gonna be a good comparison. And Frankie just jumped up here, so she wants to be in the video too. I don't know if I have filmed like a Young Living video with her, so I don't know if you guys have seen her yet, but this is Frankie. This is our Aussie Doodle, and she'll be one in February. But anyways, you matched the set, Frankie. We recently redid the space in our living area, and I'm like tired of filming where I usually do, so I'm gonna try this set out today. So far so good. It's good lighting. But anyways, oh, I was gonna mention, Frankie, like all of these were thrifted. These were picked from like around our pond. This was from the marketplace. That table was secondhand. So anyways, what I'm saying is like we do a lot of that like reduce, reuse, recycle when we decorate our home. So I was wondering if you guys would be interested in any kind of video like that. If you are, let me know in the comments and maybe I'll start doing those. It's fun because it's unique and you're recycling, which is super important. Just trying to be a little bit more sustainable. But anyways, let's jump into it. So this is the third video I think I've done with comparing different brands to Young Living. This brand is Saje, and I pronounce it Sage, but I'm sure that's probably not right. I'm not sure. So if you do know how to pronounce this, let me know. But anyways, this is the brand that I am comparing today. I like doing this because I learn a lot, and also just I feel like it's good to just spread the word about other brands. Young Living is not the end all be all. In my opinion, they are the best so far of all the other ones I've tried, but there's other brands out there. So I just want to, you know, just do like an honest opinion video, an honest review on these other brands. So first off, they're really expensive, but I love their packaging and I love their website. It's so earthy, and I like their options. Like they have, these are my two favorite products. So they have this blend, Goddess, and it has like all of my favorite oils. Look how beautiful the bottle is. So I love their packaging and I love their different options. And then this is also my other favorite one. This is the Peppermint Halo. This is like the headache roller. What I love about this is that it has two ends. It has a roller, but then the bottom also unscrews and it has just where you can drop it out. So I like that option. I'm gonna like reusing this little roller. So they're expensive, but I like what they're doing. And this works so well, and it's a lot more cooling. I don't feel like it's diluted very much. So it's a really good, like potent little roller, which I love. Okay, so I got that roller. And I'll put the prices, I'll have to check in just a second for the prices, but that is, let's see what size it is. 6 milliliters, so that's an odd size anyway, but a 6 mil roller, and then I got this set of 4 blends. These are the diffuser blends, and these are all 5 mil. Okay, so this roller was $16, the Peppermint Halo. It comes in 2 different sizes. The larger one is $28. And then this set of 4 diffuser blends is normally $44. I had a coupon, so it wasn't quite that much, but it also is on sale right now. It looks like today. They have a 40% off sale, so go check them out if you want, if you're interested after this. But this is on sale for $26. So again, $44, not that bad. I mean, that ends up being like what, $12, $11 per bottle, not too bad. So this is called the Well Balanced Collection, Balancing Diffuser Blend Collection. I had to get the lid because it has the ingredients. So it has 4 different ones: Balance, Bliss, Goddess, and Yoga. So I'll just read what is in each one. So Balance has geranium, clary, clary sage, bergamot, sandalwood, ylang ylang, and frankincense. The Bliss one has orange, grapefruit, rose geranium, geranium, and rose, which is kind of weird. Goddess has orange, palmarosa, rose, jasmine, bitter orange, and neroli, and that one is my favorite, I think. And the last one is Yoga, and that one has orange, patchouli, neroli, hoe wood, oh, and bitter orange, so 2 different oranges. They're all really good. They're all good in balancing. This is like my set. Like I love all of these. So far concerns are price. Also, they don't have anywhere listed that I could find on their website about third-party testing or testing at all in general on their essential oils. Next concern is this is, like each bottle, the ingredient list is just those oils, nothing else. But it says that it's not for topical use. So my thoughts were maybe it's because this is a Canadian brand and they have to do different packaging and put different words on different packages, but I really am confused about that because I feel like it should say not to be used on skin undiluted. I don't know. So that's weird. I want to know why it says that. If you guys know, or if you're familiar with like Canada and how they have to package and word things on packaging, let me know. But that was just a small concern. Also, they're testing, and I went to ask on their like live chat, but no one, it was like not the time that they were on or something. So I have to email about the testing. And maybe I'll update you guys if I find out in the description below. But I did just write down a few other notes about them and comparing them to Young Living. So the website is great. I love, so when I'm looking for another essential oil brand to compare to, I want to make sure it is an essential oil company, not just a random company that also has essential oils. You want it to be their focus and you want it to be something that they do right. So that is, they're good there. They also have some other wellness products and skincare, which I love, and they have hand soaps. So really similar to Young Living in that aspect. The quality is really, really good in packaging, in their website design, and just like aesthetic. All of that checks the boxes. The packaging is beautiful. Like I said, I love that they have kits. So like this, you save a little bit of money when purchasing like kits and multiple oils in one like that. They don't have a kit that is like the premium starter kit. So that's kind of a bummer because if you are looking to start with oils, Sage is like super overwhelming in price because everything is really high priced. And I'll go over, I compared a couple of the most popular oils just to show you their pricing, but so they don't have a premium starter kit. So if you're looking just to start, they have like different, like a wellness kit, or this one is the well balanced, but they're all kind of pricey and none of them come with a diffuser. I don't know. So they don't have the premium starter kit that everyone knows and loves. I love that they have roll-ons like this one. They have a bunch of different ones. They have one for kids also, but I think they have like a congestion one, a wellness one, a balance one, and this Peppermint Halo. So that makes using essential oils really easy when they just come in pre-made rollers like this. So I love that. So I mentioned they have one for kids. They do have a couple of products for kids. So that's kind of a bummer. They don't have just a full kids line. They have, I think, a congestion one and a fairy, oh, what was the name of it? It was cute. I don't remember what it was called, but something about aroma or fairy or something like that. A really cute, just like calming blend for kids. But as a mom, like looking into an essential oil brand, kind of like Plant Therapy too, they have a whole kids line. So that's something that I would definitely be looking for if I were looking into using this brand for the first time. They're a very sustainable brand and they're just conscious of that. So I really respect that and like that about them. Okay, so a little more on the pricing. I just did lavender and lemon, comparing them. So they have all different size bottles compared to Young Living. So I just did per milliliter. So lavender, Young Living per milliliter is $1.60 if you're a member and getting the wholesale price. And then for Sage is $2, so it's 40 cents more per milliliter. So that adds up, and like I said, they are pricey. Lemon, Young Living's price per milliliter is 80 cents, and Sage's price per milliliter is $1, so 20 more cents per mil for lemon. And I think that's pretty consistent throughout. I only did those two because I didn't have a ton of time, but just to show, because I feel like everyone is like, Young Living and doTERRA are so expensive because they have to pay their distributors and all of this, but that isn't true. We pay for high quality therapeutic grade oils. And that just goes to show, like, Sage, I'm sure, is a very good high quality brand. And you pay for that they're charging for their oil, not for they're not an MLM. So I don't know, just wanted to put that out there. And then I just have my final thoughts. So I love, obviously, like I've already said, I love their packaging and their whole branding. I don't love their pricing because Young Living is cheaper, and also there's ER. So when I buy Young Living, I'm getting points back to use on free, or to use on product for free. They don't have a rewards program like that. And then ultimately, I think this will also just be in the back of my mind too. When you buy from Sage, you're not like buying from a friend, and you don't have that friend to just text or email or message on Instagram and ask a quick question. You obviously have customer service with other brands, but with Young Living, like, we're friends, and you just can text me or ask me a question. And I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm not going to give you like from a company's like perspective and what I'm supposed to say. So it's like that community aspect and like just gaining the friendship part of the whole, or in the whole, yeah, community with essential oils. It's like, that's what I want. That's what you should want too. Because that's all part of it. I mean, I'll just want to inspire wellness and to just search out different options, search out, obviously there's a time and a place for medicine, but if there's a time where essential oils can be used instead, like, you just want to ask another mom like what they think about that kind of thing. So that's one of the things I will always love about Young Living. All right, that is it. I want to keep these videos pretty short and sweet, and just go over the basics and just my first thoughts and then my review. But if you have any other questions or things that I forgot to mention, let me know. You can always comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram. It's just at Torey Noora now. I'm no longer doing the wellness account as well. I cannot keep up with 2 Instagrams. So Torey Noora, and that will always be in the description. But I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.